Welcome to another Bedford Consulting Spotlight video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to configure Anaplan's new report page to enhance your reporting capabilities within Anaplan. Using the new report page, a page builder can create consistently styled report pages, including visualizations that will bring focus to relevant data and help you to communicate actionable insights. Anaplan reports are for all users, but particularly those who need to transform data into visually compelling narratives to help drive decisions. As a page builder, you can create management reports as well as slide decks for executive stakeholders based on your Anaplan modules. So to create the page, I'm going to click on Create Page, and you'll see now that we have a third UX page available to us, the report page. I'm going to give that page a name, define its workspace, and also the model that I want the data to come from. A report page is essentially a deck of slides or a combination of reporting pages that you can customize with cards in the same way you build boards and worksheets. With the free-form report layout, you can precisely design the look and feel of the report. The first screen you come to when you create a new page is a blank screen, but here for each individual page you can select the page size for printing, you can select the orientation, portrait or landscape, you can select the background color, and this includes adding in any hex colors or codes to match your corporate colors. Then you can begin to add cards to your page. Unlike boards and worksheets, the cards on a report page can be arranged anywhere, so completely freely, so you can create focused visual insights on your data. You'll notice a number of the same cards available to boards and worksheets, with the addition of presentation tables and text that's dynamic, data-rich text cards. You can then arrange your cards anywhere on the slide, any size, to compose your report. There are 6 types of cards. The text card will allow you to include both free-form text and also dynamic text, so such as a list member or maybe a context-specific line item value from your modules. A presentation table is like a grid card, but with optional themes, so you can have repeatable formatting. The chart, KPI, image, and map type cards provide the same functionality as with boards and worksheets. Bringing a card onto your report page is as simple as drag and drop. Once on the page, you can move, you can resize, and you can reorder the cards to emphasize and provide your narrative flow. So here, I'm going to add my text card. I'm going to add in my text commentary. I can then choose to size that, give it a particular color, make it bold, etc. I can then link the text card to a particular module, so I can then actually start bringing in dynamic text. So here I've linked it to my specific module, and now I'm able to add in either some context labels from my lists within this module, or I can bring in any line item value that will be context specific based on my selection. In this example, I'm going to bring through my time so that it can be dynamic to our current month. Cards can also be duplicated and deleted with the right-click button, but you can also bring them forward and send them backwards on the page. So for example, you may want to push an image to the back and bring your text forward to the front. So I'm going to bring in an image as my background. and then I'm going to send it to the back to bring my text forward. I'm then going to bring on my corporate logo. If you select more than one card, you can then align them so you can have a consistent presentation. So I'm going to align these left. And maybe I'll change the color of that. To see what your page would look like, you can publish, and you can see it brings through our dynamic text, which can be changed as I move through my time dimension. As a page builder, you can add new slides, you can reorder them with drag and drop or by selecting these three dots. You can also rename or duplicate the slides. Our recommendation would be to build a default slide layout and then duplicate this for your other slides. So for my default, my background color is going to be white. I'm going to bring through my image. And also my corporate logo. And then I can duplicate that for my other slides. The report pages work in the same way as boards and worksheets in that your dynamic selection will change the data on the report page. The addition of dynamic text on report pages, incorporating line item data such as text, lists, and values, or any module dimension, will enhance your reporting capabilities and enable you to easily convey your insights. The addition of visualizations, such as your customizable KPIs with spark lines and charts, enable users to tell the story behind the numbers, helping them make sense of data and to spot the trends. When you've designed your report, publish that so that users can view it. You can then choose to present it or export it to PDF. So there you have it. Use Anaplan report pages to quickly and easily create visually compelling board-ready reports that can be shared with a range of audiences across the business. Thanks for watching. If you want any more information about building report pages in Anaplan, or if you're not already using Anaplan and would like a more detailed demonstration, please do speak to us about this and we'll be happy to help.